The saga of my DJI Mini SE has a new turn in it. I just got an email yesterday that now they figured out what's wrong with my controller. They've had my drone for a month. They sent it back to me and they fixed it, but they didn't. They didn't fix it. I got the drone back and I still couldn't control it. I still couldn't connect the controller to my phone. So I had to reach back out to them. They said, oh, don't send the drone, just send the controller. So here's the email I got. $10 module that they, I guess, fixed now. That they didn't fix in the beginning. But it's $65 for the labor. So they want me to pay $75. But the thing's still under warranty. So I reached back out to DJI and told them it's under warranty. They get back to me, send us receipts. So now they want a receipt. When they first got the drone, they didn't need anything. They sent me it back saying, oh, it's all fixed. 2 months in. A little bit over 2 months in, and now they want a receipt. DJI does not have their SHIT together. They need to get their stuff together. I don't know what's going on. Why they are just doing this to me. Is it me? Is there anybody else? Let me know. Comment down below. I mean, I don't understand why I'm having such a hard time getting a new controller. Well, it looks like I'm not getting a controller, a brand new controller. They're just gonna fix the controller. So I sent them the receipt that I have. I got the drone as a gift, so I don't have the best receipt. So we'll see what happens. And I'll get back to you guys with another update. Right now, DJI customer service is a 0 out of 10. They're trying their best, but they're just pulling nails just to get my controller back. I don't understand why they just couldn't keep the controller, send me a brand new one instead of asking for more money. What does it matter? It's under warranty. At first they knew that the thing's brand new, and now they want to see receipts, or I pay $75. So I emailed them back a receipt. They said they'll look into it if the receipt's good enough. It just feels like this whole thing is getting out of hand, and they could just keep the freaking drone. Well, I have the drone, but they could keep the controller and just refund me all my money back. And I'll buy a brand new unit, because 2 months, I'm going on 2 months without flying that drone. All because it can't connect to my phone. this is unreal. And I don't know. I don't know what to do. I could just wait. There's going to be another update video or a result video when I get it back, and we'll see if it works. I mean, they had it for a month with the drone at first, in the whole January. They sent me it back. They said they fixed it, but they didn't. And now I'm just waiting. So we'll see if the receipt's good enough, because it was bought from Amazon. They said if it's up to their standards, they got a review team. It's just DJI is, I don't understand what's going on, but we'll have another video hopefully shortly. I don't know, but I'll let you guys know.